Ooh, yikes. Yeah, that needs cleaned. This is what I believe to be a 1953 Caterpillar D2. I'm sure some people are curious what the serial number is. And it's 5U14060. My understanding, the history on this cat was it was a military leftover that was purchased out of Detroit, Michigan. I'm not sure exactly when, but I believe it went to Ridgeville, Ohio, where all it did was pull a disc or a plow and was used as an agriculture crawler. I think it's only got around 5,000 some hours on it. I'm not sure if the undercarriage has ever been replaced, but it's in pretty good shape. All the rollers and pins are decent. The rails are at about 50% wear. It's a really neat crawler. I like the late models like this. The plate fenders and the curved clutch levers and stuff. I'm not sure what all differences there are. I think you can change the main clutches out on these models without splitting the engine off, stuff like that. They got a little bit more user-friendly. But this one is just a pretty nice example of a D2. This is owned by Michael Denton out of from Mike and Sandy's Adventures. I'll leave a link to their channel if you want to check that out. But they're just storing it here for the time being, and I needed to get it out and move it to shuffle it into the back of a shed. So I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you all, and figure you would enjoy checking it out. He mentioned while it was here, if I wanted to clean it up, take it to a plow day or something, I could. Kind of looked it over a little bit. It needs some attention. He's done some work to it already, I believe, but I see it looks like the radiator's seeping a little bit and the fan's loose, and the fuel tank really needs to be cleaned out. So it would need a fair bit of work for me to be willing to take somebody else's machine out and run it for a couple hours. So I'm not sure if I'll do that or not, but it's a really nice little crawler. I told him if he ever wanted to sell it, I would definitely consider buying it from him. Yeah, hopefully you enjoy this little walk around of it. It's got some neat options. Has the lights, has the belly pan and the big front hook, and the undercarriage being as nice as it seems. Track tin is really nice. I don't think it's ever had a blade on it. Still has most of the corks in the track frames and such, but all it was ever done is to pull equipment. Kind of look at the drawbar. Has been welded and built up on the bottom here, so they definitely did some pretty good pulling with it at some point, but it has the correct pins and wear pieces for the drawbar. It's in decent shape yet. It's seen some miles. It's definitely pulled hard for a few years, but it is overall a nice little crawler. I think he said whenever it was painted years ago, they went through and put new clutches in it and stuff like that. I believe the base machine is really sound, but it does need a good workout. You can see over here it's slobbering. It needs heated up and put under a load. Maybe I'll work with Mike and we'll get it cleaned up and serviced up, and to the point where maybe we could take it to a plow day or something. I'm not sure. If you'd like to see something like that, let me know. But yeah, this will just be a little quick video. Nothing too crazy, but I figured y'all would enjoy seeing it while I had it out shuffling things around. So I like it. Appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you on the next one.